Welcome back to my channel. Have you ever heard of a bird that's making waves in the world of poultry farming? It's not your typical chicken or duck, but a bird that's wild, bold, and actually making farmers a fortune. This isn't just any poultry, it's the guinea fowl. With its striking look and remarkable benefits, this bird is rapidly gaining traction across Asia. Whether it's the meat, packed with protein and flavor, or its ability to thrive on low-cost feed, guinea fowl are turning heads in the farming industry. Imagine running a farm where you can raise a bird that's easy to care for, slashes your feeding costs, and even offers natural pest control, all while fetching top dollar on the market. If you've ever dreamed of adding a low-maintenance, high-reward bird to your farm, the guinea fowl could be your golden ticket. Stick around, because in the next few minutes, we'll show you why guinea fowl might just be the smartest farming decision you've never considered. Get ready to explore a profitable new world of guinea fowl, a hidden gem in poultry farming. Guinea fowl are far from your typical farm bird. These birds, native to Africa, are now making waves across Asia, finding their place on poultry farms that usually focus on chickens and ducks. While chickens and ducks dominate most of the market, guinea fowl are gaining rapid attention, especially in high-end restaurants in places like Vietnam, Thailand, China, and the Philippines. So why are they becoming so popular? It's not just about their unique wild look. Guinea fowl have quickly earned their reputation as a valuable commodity in the poultry industry. Their meat is lean and packed with nutrients like protein, iron, and essential vitamins, which makes them an attractive option for health-conscious consumers. Unlike traditional poultry, guinea fowl meat is low in fat and rich in taste, giving it a more sophisticated appeal. And it's not just the meat that makes them valuable. A single guinea fowl can be sold for anywhere between $5 for a chick to as much as $30 for a fully grown bird. In regions where they're still considered a rare, exotic option, the price can go even higher, making them a lucrative investment. For farmers looking to diversify, guinea fowl present a fantastic opportunity. They're hardy and easy to care for, meaning farmers don't need to invest heavily to start a guinea fowl farm. Smart farmers who have made the move to raise guinea fowl are already seeing significant returns, without the need for a large initial investment. Whether you're a seasoned farmer or just starting out, guinea fowl are proving to be a smart, profitable addition to any poultry operation. Part 2. Smart setup for a guinea fowl farm. Setting up a guinea fowl farm may seem simple, but it requires careful planning to create the best environment for these unique birds. The first step is selecting strong, healthy guinea fowl. Make sure you're purchasing birds from reputable sources, as their health and genetic quality are crucial for a successful farm. Once you've got your birds, the next important step is building a secure and comfortable coop, a cozy home that provides them with plenty of room to roam and rest. Guinea fowl thrive in spacious environments, so avoid overcrowding them in small enclosures. A coop with adequate space not only ensures they stay comfortable, but also promotes natural behaviors, like foraging and perching, which are key to their well-being. Speaking of perching, guinea fowl love to perch, and it's important to provide them with sturdy, high-quality perches. These birds will spend a good portion of their time on them, especially at night. Installing these perches in your coop will allow them to rest securely, keeping them calm and stress-free, which ultimately contributes to better overall growth, egg-laying, and health. As guinea fowl can fly short distances, it's crucial to protect them from predators. Using wire mesh around the coop will keep keep them safe from animals like raccoons, foxes, and birds of prey. To further help reduce stress, consider using soft lighting in the evening. Guinea fowl are sensitive to sudden changes, and gentle lighting will keep them calm and relaxed throughout the night. By providing a well-thought-out living space that encourages natural behaviors and ensures safety, you'll be setting your guinea fowl farm up for success, with less stress leading to healthier birds and higher egg production. Part 3. Feeding guinea fowl, a natural approach. One of the most rewarding aspects of raising guinea fowl is their incredibly low-maintenance diet. Unlike commercial chickens that require expensive specialized feeds, guinea fowl thrive on a natural, cost-effective diet. This makes them an attractive choice for farmers looking to minimize overhead costs without sacrificing the quality of their flock. You don't have to spend a small fortune on processed feed. Instead, guinea fowl enjoy a variety of readily available, inexpensive foods. They happily consume rice bran, which is packed with nutrients, corn, a high-energy food that keeps them active, and potatoes, which are rich in starch and easy to digest. They're also fond of leafy greens, which provide essential vitamins and minerals. Why guinea fowl are perfect for beginners. If you're new to poultry farming and looking for a bird that's easy to care for, guinea fowl are the perfect option. These birds are tough, resilient, and rarely fall sick. They're also incredibly adaptable when it comes to their diet. They'll eat just about anything they can find, including bugs, seeds, weeds, and even small rodents. So, if you're tired of relying on chemical pest control to keep your garden and farm free of pests, guinea fowl offer a completely natural and effective alternative. Not only do they handle their own pest control, but they also provide valuable services for your property. Guinea fowl are experts at cleaning up gardens, fields, and orchards by munching on ticks, grasshoppers, flies, and even mice. Their presence can help reduce the need for pesticides, promoting a healthier, more sustainable farming environment. Part 5. Eggs, meat, and market demand. Guinea fowl aren't just valuable for their meat, they lay eggs too. These eggs are considered a delicacy in many parts of the world, particularly in high-end markets. Not only are they prized for their rich flavor, but their high nutritional value makes them a sought-after item. Packed with protein, healthy fats, and essential minerals, guinea fowl eggs are often seen as a luxury food. Guinea fowl typically lay eggs between March and October, and with proper care, these eggs can be collected and sold at a premium price. For farmers, guinea fowl eggs aren't just a food item, they are also a source of profit. To ensure strong, healthy chicks, eggs need to be stored at a precise temperature and humidity level. This careful handling is essential for successful hatching. However, many eggs are sold rather than hatched, bringing in additional revenue for the farm. Now let's talk about the real highlight of guinea fowl farming, the meat. This is where guinea fowl truly shines. Their meat is not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients. Guinea fowl meat is an excellent source of protein, iron, vitamin B6, and zinc, making it a fantastic choice for health-conscious consumers. It's lower in fat compared to chicken, which makes it a perfect option for those looking for a leaner alternative. Whether it's stewed with herbs to bring out its natural flavors, or fried crispy for a unique twist on a classic dish, guinea fowl meat offers a rich, distinct taste that stands out from regular poultry. The unique texture and flavor profile of guinea fowl meat are what make it so sought after, especially in high-end restaurants or gourmet markets. So there you have it. Guinea fowl might just be the hidden gem of poultry farming. They're hardy, low maintenance, and highly profitable. With their delicious meat, nutritious eggs, and natural pest control abilities, these birds are making a huge impact in farms across Asia. If you're ready to start your own guinea fowl farm, all it takes is a little space, the right care, and some thoughtful planning. Don't miss out on this growing trend. Your farm's next success story could be just a guinea fowl away. Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more eye-opening stories from the world of farming and beyond.